You will never guess what is in this box, and I will tell you right now, it is not diapers. Hey guys, how's it going? What's up? What's new? Welcome back to my channel. So I got a package in the mail and I was not expecting it to be in a box like this. Talk about creative thinking on packaging, that is for sure. As you can tell in the title, I bought myself an Elvie pump. I was getting really tired of being stuck to the couch and not being able to do things around the house, especially how Rock has been lately, and my milk supply has kind of dropped again, which I am power pumping at the moment to get that back up. I did purchase this off eBay, of course. It is secondhand because the Elvie pump in Canada is pricey. For a single pump here in Canada, it is $499. For a double pump, it is almost $1,000. No, it's pretty much $1,000. I think it's like $1,067. I think I saw on one website. It's ridiculous. These retail in the States for, I think, $500 for double. So we pretty much double what the US is selling it for. God, I hate the currency exchange rate. Like, I wish it never existed. So I went on eBay and checked things out. This girl had hers up for a bidding war and it was priced really low. Like, I was like, what's going on? I think it started at $125 Canadian. So I was like, okay, let's try this out. So I was in a bidding war with somebody and I eventually got these for $333. Yeah, 1/3 of the price of what it costs here in Canada. Plus she was selling it with the 21mm flange, which here in Canada it costs another $79 just for that flange. Like, come on, Elvie. I tell you guys, eBay's the way to go. So I'm really excited to try this out. I'm going to do a whole day today and I'll give you my thoughts at the end of the night. Oh, I also got another package in Amazon that goes with this, so we're going to open up this first. So because my lovely nip nips measure about 15mm, I have to get a 17mm flange that will fit in the 24mm flange in the Elvie. It is better output apparently from what I hear. Did they send me the wrong size? I better not have. Oh no, we're good. 17mm. It just says 24 on the case, so I was a little nervous. These are the Mom flange inserts. They look like this. And you just stick them in. I know you do have to cut them a certain way to fit into the Elvie so it doesn't block off the suction holes. I'm gonna have to watch a video on that, on how to do it properly, because I only got one. And it took 2 weeks to get here because they don't sell those here in Canada. I had to order it off Amazon US. Okay, let's jump into this box. Huggies Professional Round Box. Ooh, Huggies overnights in stage 3. I did not know that. I might have to look into those diapers. Okay, getting sidetracked. Let's go now. Well, looks like it's packaged pretty well, so I am happy with that. Oh, bubbly. Okay, so this is the 21mm flange. These are the smallest that Elvie carries, which is kind of stupid. You think for a big popular company that they would make smaller flanges. And then here are the Elvie pumps. I'm actually really excited about this, like super excited. I'm gonna be very upset if they don't work. Whoa! Just fall right out of the box, why don't you? Okay. These are a lot smaller than I thought they were going to be. But this is the pump itself. They don't look warped either, so that's good. It's really cute. It looks pretty clean so far for being a secondhand pump. I'm very excited about that. Is there a release button? Oh, yeah, there is. Okay, wow. It looks like it's in very good condition. Oh God, did I do that right? Okay, I'm pretty stoked, Came with 2 of those. Manual instructions. I am apparently missing a bag. Yeah, I'm missing a bag. When there's just one thing missing, it really irritates me. Both of the cable cords, which she did not wrap nicely, just threw it in there. Some bra extensions, caps for the bottles, and then 2 more bottles and 2 more flanges, which I think these are the 28mm ones. Yes, these are the biggest ones, which I will not be using, so I'll just take off those lovely caps. So far, I'm pretty happy. They look like, honestly, brand new considering that they are a used product. The only thing I'm really not happy about is that I am missing a bag. I'm going to contact her and see if she can find it and send it to me. Yes, I am that picky of a person. Elvie! Wait, are these charged? I think you have to charge them. Do you believe that they take 2 hours, 4 hours to charge? It is still pretty early in the morning. It is 8:47 and I already did my morning pump. And I do need to pump here soon because I'm trying to build my supply back up. So I think my next pumping, I will be trying these out. I hope this works. If it doesn't, then you know what? I can just resell it and hopefully it'll work for somebody else. Crossing fingers, guys. Let's see how this goes today. Okay, they look like they're fully charged. They're done and ready to go. Okay, let's set up this app. Press power to turn Elvie pump on. Starting to flash. Press and hold play pause until the side light starts flashing. Connecting. Let's see how long it takes. Oh, that didn't take very long. I'd say maybe like 10 seconds. Connect another pump. No pump found. How is this possible? Okay, let's turn this off. Hi, Stella. Come on, you gotta go. Okay, account maybe? View profile. How does it know my stuff already? That's weird. Okay, let's try this again. There we go. Okay, we got both of them connected. I don't know how it knows my information already. Like, I didn't even put it in. So I don't know if it connected into my phone. That's so weird. I'm gonna have to go through this and just like play around with the app a little bit later, I think. Okay, get out. There we go. I don't necessarily need to pump quite yet, although I probably should do it anyways because I'm trying to build my supply back up. So it is 10:51 right now, so it took less than 2 hours to fully charge. I'm gonna keep these plugged in and charged for now because I can hear baby. So let's say in like half an hour I'll put them on and try them on. I need to guzzle a whole lot more water and we'll see if these work. I don't know if I'm going to be needing nipple cream because I usually put nipple cream on with my flanges with my Motif Luna. Maybe I'm going to try it without it first and see how it goes. Oh my god, I'm nervous, but I'm also excited. Okay, I think that's on. Tighten my straps a little bit because I heard that you should tighten them just a tad. But they're pretty discreet. Like, you can't even tell I'm wearing them until I turn to the side. Hello, babies. I couldn't imagine having boobs this big. Okay, let's see how this feels. That is so weird. They're quite quiet though. It's the lowest setting. Okay, the highest setting. Oh, that's a little weird. Okay, I don't need it that high. It's burning a little bit. I can hear my milk coming out. I can actually hear it on both sides, which is kind of shocking for me because my left boob doesn't really have a letdown. And it's sounding like it does. Okay, so I'm gonna let this pump for, let's say 15 minutes to start off with, and then we'll see where we're at. But right now I have it at level 5, and it feels pretty good so far. And like, you guys can't hear it. See if you can hear it. It's a very soft suckle. At the beginning it was like a faster pulsating, and now it's like a slower, longer suction. It's definitely supposed to mimic like a baby nursing on you, so I'm very excited to see how this turns out at the end. Okay, I'll check back with you guys in 15 minutes. So, went over a little bit on the right boob, which is this one, by 16 minutes and 17 seconds. My left turned off automatically. I don't know why. Then it said to change the bottle, but it's only showing like I have 2 ounces in there. So I don't know why it exactly turned off. Text message. 15 minutes is usually what I pump on a regular basis from my Motif Luna. Let's see exactly how this went. From what it's kind of saying is that I am just under 2 ounces for my left and 3 ounces for my right. Oh, my nipple is in there. Okay, so that's 1 ounce on my left, which is my lazy boob, so I'm kind of thinking that's normal. There is quite a bunch of spillage though. I don't like that. App's wrong on that one. There's only about 1 ounce. I don't like that it leaks. It's saying that I have just under 2. Yeah, it's saying I have 1.5 millimeters. So the app is completely wrong. So altogether, I got 2.5 ounces in a 15-minute pump session with these at level 5. So I'm just gonna go pump with my Motive Luna and see if I can get any more out. I'm just gonna pump for about 10 minutes and then we'll go from there. Okay, so I only pumped for 6 minutes and 47 seconds because Rock was getting a little fussy. He was ready for his nap. So I had to cut it short, but I did get a little bit more out with my Motive Luna. I got probably 0.5 ounces on my left booby and got 1 ounce with my right booby. So the Elvie didn't do that bad. I'm actually quite impressed on how quiet it is and its little suckling motions. I'm gonna try out the 24mm flange and the Maimon, so I'm going to put that together, find that video, and see how I have to properly cut the Maimon inserts. So for my next pumping session, I will use that setup and see how that goes. I think this time as well, I'm gonna go a little bit longer in between pumping sessions just so that I can really fill up these puppies. I will check in with you guys next time I am pumping. It is now 1:04 and I'm just heating up a bottle for Rock because he just woke up from his nap. I just actually popped on my right Elvie with the Maimon insert. This is how I cut it. This is where like the suction holes would be going in instead of just cutting it completely off right there where some people have been doing. I found this little hack on Facebook. Then I just widened up where the V is. I can feel it. I think I did it right. Gonna see how this goes. Gonna pump this for 15 minutes while I feed Rock bottle. And then I will come back and let you guys know how it goes. I'm not doing the other one right now because I want to see what it's like also with just doing one at a time. Okay, I'll come back and check in a bit. Okay, I just finished feeding Rock and in the middle of feeding him his bottle, the thing started to click. I don't know why it's doing that. Maybe I have to widen the air holes a little bit more. So I have 2 minutes left. I'm gonna see what's going on with it and then I'll keep you guys posted. Okay, let's check it, shall we? That's so depressing. Okay, I'm just gonna hold it here and see if it makes any difference. Rock is crying, so I will be right back. Okay, so that is pretty much actually what I am producing at the moment. Like I said, my supply has dipped drastically and I haven't been drinking that much water today. I really need to get on it. I went to go check with my Motive Luna if I could get anything extra out and I couldn't. So yeah, the 1 ounce is what we got right now. I'm currently pumping the other one right now. I don't know why I didn't use the insert for that one. I think I was just getting worried that the clicking sound was going to ruin them and I don't want to ruin them. So I will see you guys with the next update. So I have both of them on right now with the Maimon inserts. I'm going to give that another shot. I think I fixed it and as I was fixing it, I put a little tiny hole through it. So I don't know if that's going to affect the Maimon inserts. I really hope not. It's okay. They seem to be feeling fine. I don't feel any pinching. I've definitely had to lube up a little bit so it's easier to have the flow of my nipple, should say, in the flange with the insert. Not gonna lie, I kind of feel like the 21mm is way more comfortable. But on my left boobie, my nipple was getting little red dots, I think from the pinching, so it is definitely too small. Sorry, I meant too big, the flange. My nipple is too small. I'm getting tired. I didn't have my nap today. But anyways, it is now 18 minutes. I think I'm going to finish. See how that goes. It's saying I have 1.7 and then 2.25 on the other. Let's see. That's a no. That is definitely not accurate on the left. Yeah, that's much better on the right. So, and that is a total of 2.5. Pretty close. I don't know, I might actually like the 21mm flange. It feels more comfortable and I don't have to worry about these inserts because my nipple is actually on fire right now. Well, this side makes me happy. I'm gonna have to go use my Motive Luna to empty the rest of me. I believe I still have some left in there. But yeah, gonna practice still for a bit and see how this goes. I still have one more pump session today, so I am going to use the 21mm one last time to see if that makes any difference with this and then call it a day. Well, it looks like I got 3 more ounces out of doing my electric pump. Yeah, it's definitely going to be a learning curve for these other ones. Hopefully I have better success tonight and I'm going to try maybe pumping longer. Hey guys, it's 8:48 now. We put baby to bed about an hour ago. I am still currently pumping. I have about 2 minutes left. I'm doing 25 minutes on the 21mm flange. So I'm going to see how that goes. And I'm also trying the paper towel trick to see if that does anything, which I will show you guys what I mean afterwards. But so far, my thoughts on these, I don't know. I think, like I said earlier, there is a learning curve to them. I love how they feel. Like, I like the subtleness of the, like, instead of, like, you know, the machine that goes. I love how portable they are. Like, they are amazing. I love not having to sit in one spot to pump. That is like a huge thing for me, on one of the reasons why I got it. And I like how quiet these are. Like, they're very, very silent. You can barely hear them. I even asked Greg, I'm like, can you hear me pumping? He's like, kinda, sorta. Yeah, what a boy answer. But really, you can't hear it. It's amazing. Finish. It is saying in my left that I have 2.25, and then in my right I have 1.75. I can't see it because of the paper towel. This is what I mean by the paper towel trick. You put a little paper towel there in the flange, and apparently it's supposed to help with suction. Pretty much like 0.75 on this one. My lazy boob. That looks pretty decent. What is it actually at though? 2. So I got a total of 3 ounces in 25 minutes. I'm really hoping it's just my supply that's dipping. That's the reason why. I could feel like I still have milk in there. This is a little discouraging. I'm a little upset about that. Well, I guess that is it. It's a little sad note at the end. I was really hoping that these are going to be like, boom, in your face, you're ready, you're good, you're go. You don't have to go to your wired one anymore. Guess I can't have it always my way. But I'm going to stick it out. I'm going to try it every single day, and if I have to just empty after, which will be super annoying with my electric pump, I will do it. I will do it just so that I can get a hang of these suckers because they are so convenient. I hope you guys enjoyed this video of me unboxing a secondhand Elvie pump and spending the day with me on a first impressions on 4 pumps, I think it was today. 3 or 4. I don't remember. I'm so tired. If you guys did enjoy this video, please don't forget to subscribe and like. It does help out my little family. And if you guys want to see more videos of myself and my family, just hit that notification bell and I'll let you know when I upload. Okay, I'm off to shower and go to bed because it's been a long day and my boobies need some rest. Okay, bye guys.